Alright, what's up guys? Today we are going to be dropping this dude's MBS Silverado. He was in one of the group chats when I sent a picture of mine, and then he asked me if I could drop it for him. I said yeah, so that's what we're going to be doing. Here's a picture of before. So yeah guys, so that's pretty much it, and then we're going to be doing a step by step on how to lower it. We're gonna drop, well, as far as I know, they're the parts that I use on mine. So I'm gonna place them down below, and then you guys can follow. And then, yeah, it's pretty simple. It's gonna be a 2-day process because right now we're gonna take off the bed. You could do it the other way without taking the bed off, but I heard it's harder, so we're just gonna take the bed off. So yeah, guys, so enjoy the video, and hopefully someone uses it or something. Alright, so here it is. It's pretty clean for a North truck, I guess. But we're going to be doing a 4/6 drop on it. I think he has lowering shackles already, or leveling at least, the 2 inches in the rear. So we're going to be changing those out. Alright guys, so I'm pretty much going to start off with taking off the fuel neck to the tank. I'm using a T30 bit. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's 2 screws right here. There's one right here and one right here, and then I'm going to be popping off this little pin down here, which has to come off as well, because we're taking off the bed, like I said earlier. It makes it easy. So there's one. And for the second one.
Give me the screws.
There's your second one. And then for this one, I'm just gonna use this little flathead to pop it out. I have my trim remover tools, but I don't know where I left them, because my garage is a mess lately. And, just yank it out, and that's it. I'm just gonna put this stuff in the back of the bed so that it all stays in one spot. And then we'll move on to the next process, because this is loose, as you can see. So this is good now. Yeah, so I'm gonna take you guys underneath the truck, because you guys have to remove, if I'm not mistaken, it's 8 bolts. But yeah, I'll meet you guys underneath the truck. Alright guys, so the tools that I'm gonna be using for the bed removal is, I'm using a 1/2 inch air impact. You don't have to, you can get you can use a ratchet, you know, but I'm gonna use an impact because I got a air compressor, a number 18 socket, and then in my case I got some 1/2 inch extensions. Alright, let's go underneath the truck. Alright guys, so here, this is the driver left side and the rear. The driver rear, and then you have one right there, and then you have one up there. I'm gonna take those off. By the way, since I'm down here, I'm gonna disconnect these plugs since I'm down here already. Let's go over. Alright guys, so they're a little stuck on there, so I'm start the video once I disconnect everything. It's just depending if you have the tow hitch, it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 plugs on there, so it'll be 3 maybe if you don't have a tow hitch. This one has a tow hitch with the lights for the trailer, so I'm gonna have to disconnect all 4. So I'll be back with you guys once I disconnect everything. Alright guys, I'm back. I disconnected all the wires that I disconnect from up here. So now I'm gonna use the air gun to take off these bolts. You might want to use glasses while you're down here because this one is really, it had a bunch of sand, but excuse the noise. So here I'm gonna do a little montage of taking off all the bolts, and then I'll post a picture where they're all at. So yeah guys, pretty much I was gonna take a picture of the frame, but I didn't take the picture of the frame where the hole locations would be for the bed. And then after that I was like, you know what, I'll just look up a picture on Google and be able to highlight where the hole locations are, and I couldn't find the picture. Here I have a picture of the frame. I think it's gonna be a little too little for you to see, but it's not that hard to find the bolts. They're just big bolts that go upwards, you know, that hold the bed together, or the bed onto the frame. So you just remove those 4 bolts. There's 4 on each side. You just follow the frame rail, and yeah, you remove those, and then you disconnect the plugs in the back, and the bed should be ready to come out. Some added tools you might need are extensions and a swivel socket, because I think it's the second from the front, at the front of the bed. There's a hard spot to reach, at least in my case, so I use a swivel. And yeah guys, so that's pretty much, that's just a little add-on. Alright guys, so we got the bed off.
Wait, can I talk?
We'll just put it on some wood so it's not on the floor. And here's the bed, or the bed of the truck, I guess, the frame. So we ended up having to cut one screw, one of the bolts, because for some reason the nut inside the channel it got stuck. Well, not stuck, it spun around, but it looks like they had already been trying to take it off, and then it just kind of, well, honestly, I just saw it, I'm like, you know what, it's not gonna come out. So I told the owner, and he said it was fine. But that was after I cut it, but we took the bed off already. So we're gonna see if we can, what we can do, if I can take it out and then just put a regular bolt and a washer or something on there, and then leave it like that. But tomorrow, my cousin Manny's gonna be doing the front with you guys. He's gonna be showing you how to do it, the spindle and the springs. And because I work, and then we're trying to get this done so we can take it to the alignment shop. So we can take it to the alignment shop on Saturday at 12. But yeah guys, so this is the next day, this next clip, and then it's gonna be Manny and my brother showing you guys. Alright guys, what's up? We started the rear flip kit and seal notch. Oh, camera's a little dirty. Alright, never mind. But so pretty much this is what we have. I started doing it because it's a rusty truck and it's already dark out and it's like 7 over here in Chicago. But I'm gonna show you what I did so far, because it was a B, if you know what I mean. So pretty much right here we loosened these right here, these shackles. We took out the bolt up here because we're gonna lift it up. The axle, we're gonna get new struts, so I took these off, the bolts off, so we can maneuver the axle under the, or over the flip, the coil pack. Then on this one was a little hard because this one is seized, this bolt. So we just said screw this, and we went ahead and we removed the tow hitch, because this truck came with a tow hitch. I called the owner right now. I told him if he needed it. He said no, because I mean it's a lower truck. I don't know who tows with a lower truck, but we took it off because this piece right here was getting in the way of the bolt coming out down here. So, and over here somewhere. Well, it would have gotten in the way somewhere down there. But we did this the other way around, so it's like this. So, yeah, guys. So, alright, guys. So we flipped the leaf springs. This is pretty much a flip kit. So before, this was over this, the axle, but now it's under it. So therefore, flip kit. We still gotta do the C-notch on here. It's gonna be a bolt-on C-notch like this. And then right now what we're having an issue with is these are too short. So we're gonna see what we can do, and yeah, so I'll show you the finished product here soon. We're gonna do the C-notch as well. I'm gonna mark it up, cut it, drill the holes, bolt it on. I told the guy to bring me some spray paint, but I think I'm gonna go to Walmart. I'll just buy it and screw it. But yeah, guys, she's going. Hope you guys are enjoying it. I know it's all over the place, but I need the truck out of here. Well, I don't need it out of here. It just we don't have parking space, and they just did new pavement in my alley, so we can't really park anywhere. You know what I'm saying? But I got the little mullet going. Anywho, enjoy this next either fast-paced video or whatever you want to call it, or if I put it up there, if I actually decide to record it or not. But yeah, guys, here we go.
No.
Alright, guys, so we finished the flip kit. Let me show you how it looks like, or what it looks like. It's a little dark, but it's 4 in the morning. We went to Danny's to eat, and we took like 2 hours. But so this is like,
Check out the desk.
so flip kit, you get this little bracket thing on the bottom. You put it on. You put this top holder one. There's supposed to be a screw in here, but it didn't come with it. And then this one. So this one down here has a hole right on the bottom. And then you want the hole closer to the cab on both sides. So that's what we did. So that's done. I started the C-notch. That's gonna be a drilled in C-notch. So pretty much all you do is here, let's go this way.
Drill.
Here's Edwin. There's Ray.
Bro.
But now you just line up your C-notch wherever you, right there. I had the wheel off, but that's right there. You mark it up and you cut it up. Then you drill holes, and then it's ready to rock, you know. But so on my truck, I didn't notice the bed leans to one side. It leans to one side.
Can I see this? Like,
oh yeah.
You need to see much.
Oh yeah. So okay. But yeah, so it leans to one side, and then I just remembered that I didn't. Well, it was adjusting, I guess. I didn't adjust these springs. These right here, I just kind of bolted it up because I said fuck it, you know, whatever, or sand it. Hold on, Ray. And so on this one, I left everything loose. Well, back here, I lowered the truck, and then I tightened everything up, and now it looks even because mine leans to one side. Yeah, guys, so I'm gonna continue this tomorrow. It doesn't take long, the C-notch and the whole flip kit. It's just that we mess around a lot. But yeah, guys, so this will be day 3 of the, well, not day 3, it'll be a couple hours. Well, maybe an hour and a half tomorrow, and then we'll be done. Put the bed back on. We gotta wait for people to come, because I usually use my cherry or hoist, my engine hoist over there, to pick up the bed. But I got that day, I was like, you know, screw it, let's all just pick up the bed and put it right here. But yeah, but so yeah, so the motor is all the way. I should have thought about it. I should have left it over here hanging with the bed, but it's all the way over there. So I gotta wait for someone to come tomorrow, and then that'll be it. But yeah, guys, day 3 is coming soon. Alright, guys, so we just finished putting see that chin? This is what. So we drill the holes, cut it out, put it in. Same thing on that side. Excuse me, I got fucking allergies or freaking allergies. So the only thing that's missing right now is the freaking the bump stops. Pretty plain and simple. I mean, if I would have had more time, I would have gone more in depth, but the guy needed the truck, and then I needed it out. But we got it done. All we're gonna do is wait on some people to move the bed a little bit, then bolt it back up. But yeah, guys. Next step, putting the bed on. We'll show you. I think we're gonna use the engine hoist. We'll show you how to do that, and that's it. All right, guys. So I didn't have time to show or to take a video of us putting the bed back on, but I did take a picture, and I'm just gonna walk you through on what we did, the final steps. So we put the bed on. We had enough room to use the engine hoist. If you're taking the bed off by yourself, it would be or a couple people, it would be a better idea if you get an engine hoist. That's what I did on my single cab. But since I had the people on hand that day, we just decided to, screw it, pick it up, put it on the garage. And yeah, well, pretty much all we did was we used the engine hoist. We used it from the four corners, picked it up, dropped it in. We had the truck, guy drove it in to the back, aligned it, and we dropped it in. We bolted it up. We hooked up all the connectors on the back. We did delete the tow hitch. I called the owner and I asked him, like, do you need the tow hitch? He said, nah, you can leave it off. It would just be a better idea because it was on the way anyways. So we took it off, and then we put the bed back on. We hooked up everything, zip tied any loose cables, making sure the lights work. We took it on a test drive, and it worked. It was good. Only thing was the ABS was kicking on, and that was due to the right wheel bearing in the front was bad. We were hearing a little bit of grinding and stuff, so I told the owner, and then he said it was fine. We'll fix it later. But that's on the other part. We have two parts of the video. This is probably gonna get uploaded first, which is the rear, and then we have one for the front drop. And yeah, guys. So I have a picture of it, of how it ended up looking, and the front still had to settle down a little bit because everything was new. I still had to settle, but here it is. So yeah, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know it wasn't much, but we didn't have enough time to record and do the job, but it ended up looking nice. Issues with it was the rust, but we got through it, and that's about it. We might be doing another one. I'll probably go more in depth with it, and then I'll show you guys step by step for sure on how it's supposed to be. But yeah, guys, part 2 is gonna be the front end, like I said. And I think we have one more video that we're going to be uploading soon. It's about interior stuff. We did a little work on it. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share it. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys.